Hello friends, welcome back to CPR Tutorials. Today we will discuss code force round 806, which is deep 4 round. So before starting the video, I would like to announce that this video is sponsored by Newton School. So link is given in description box. You can visit it. It provide full stack development course. It is 6-month course and it is pay after placement. So I will suggest you to check that link. And now coming back to our problem. So in this video we will discuss problem D, that is double string. So you are given a string s1 s2 up to sn of length at most 8. So problem is clearly stating that there are n string s1 s2 sn, and for each string length should be less than equal to 8, right? Size of si, right? Note that each string si determine if there exists any two string sj and sk such that si equal to sj plus sk. So you have to find that is there any string do we have any string which we can get from concatenating other two string. So let's say si equal to sj plus sk. Can we find such I? Right. What is meaning of concatenation? So s plus t, like concatenating. So let's say string was s1 is abc, string s2 is def. So s1 plus s2 equal to abc. First we write s1 string and then we will concatenate, means push back at end of the string, right? We will add string at the end. So what will be s2 plus s1? Can you tell me? Right? So yeah, you correctly guess it. It should be df and abc. So now you understood what is concatenation of a string. So coming back to our problem, like this is a standard case, like total number of test case up to 10 to the power 4 and the contains number of string it will give us. So finally our number of string less than equal to 10 to the power 5 sum of all test case, right? So it will give that our order n or order n log n solution will pass. Let me discuss some few other things. So can we consider like string size is given si less than equal to 8. So can we consider it as constant? So let's say we have string s1 equal to abcdef, right? So can we consider an order of one time? It will take, like processing, if we process from start to end or iterate from start to end, it will take order constant time. Let's say at max it will take order 8 time, like for each case, like for iteration it will take 8 operation, and so it will be order of constant, yeah, order one time, right? So we know that our string, if we iterate through a string or hash it, we'll get order 1, right? So let's say we first discuss brute force approach, right? So what we'll do, we'll have to check each string, either it is consist of other two string, right? So we'll iterate through strings and check if it consists of other two string. So what we will do, like we will iterate I equal to 0 to n. We have got string si, and then we will iterate two more string j equal to I plus 1 to n, k equal to I plus 1 to n, and check si equal to sj plus sk. So what will be time complexity considering this is order 1? At max it will take 16, like it will take 16 operations at max, so we'll consider it as order 1. So time complexity will be order n cube. Can we optimize? For optimization, let's say we have maintained hash set, or we can simply name it as set or map ABAB. Let's say we have stored that these strings are present, right? ABA CV. Now what I will do for I equal to 0 to n, for j equal to I to n, our string after concatenation string equal to what, क्या होगा, si plus sj, right? Let's name it this input I will put in s array. Let's say vector array of strings, and I have put it in the array, right? So and now we will check that we have got either it is present or not. If it's present, then answer should be yes for that string, else no, right? So what will be the time complexity? Order n square, and order 1 for lookup, right? If you have maintained hash map, if you use map or set, then order log n. But if you use, let's say, unordered map, then order will be 1, right? Till now it is clear. But order n square solution, will it pass? Order n square solution won't pass, right? Then we will have to optimize it further. So what we know, it is given that so let's say we have a string ABAB, right? And we had maintained a hash, right? This will contain ABAB, this is AB, this is ABC, this is ABACB. So what earlier we were doing, like we were taking two strings and concatenating. So taking two strings give us order n square time, right? But now what I will do, let's say this is string s1, so I will divide it in two parts, right? Let's say one part belong to s1 s2, this is index L, and other part s3 s4 s5. And what I will check, these two strings are present in our hash map or not. So if these two strings are present, then we have got answer as 1, right? Because we can get this string from concatenation of two strings, right? Namely s1 s2 combination of s1 s2 and s3 s4 s5, right? So we have got, so how it decrease our time complexity. So iterating through list or array of string, we need one iteration only, right? We'll iterate from start to end, and it is given that string size maximum, their string size max is 8, right? So we can get at max how many string, let's say 1, then 7, 2, 6, right? Finally 7 and 1. How many combination of substring we will get? 8 or 7 combination, right? 7 combination. So we will iterate and create 2 substring, this one and this one, and then we will check in hash map. So this will give us order constant time, order 1, and one iteration gives order of n time, right? So now and we will need to maintain let's say unordered set or set or set. Because n log n solution was passing, I had taken set. If order 1 was required, I had taken unordered map, unordered set, right? Now we will move to our solution code. So this is our code. So I took array of strings, right? And here what I did, I took all the inputs, right? And along with that, taking input, and I put all the strings in set. Now what I will do, I have iterated and visited each string, s1, s2, this, let's say these are the number of string. So one by one I have visited all the string, right? And what I did, I created 2 substring, s1, s2, and check if these are already present in our set or not, right? And then updated the answer. So this was my solution. So I hope that you have liked the solution. So if you have liked the solution, please share with your friend community, like the video, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye bye, see you in the next video. Thank you.